Hello guys, my name is Sophie and I am a co-leader of Starways. Today I will be talking about the new line of slime. So let's get started. So we have many different types of slime. We have foam with lots of beads. We also have it with not as many. We have poop slime. I will talk to you more about that later. And we have regular slime. And then we also have some other slimes which I will be talking to you about now. So what we do is we take slimes and we can customize them for you. So we have regular slimes in pink, cream, white, blue, brown, black, green, red and purple. Also glitter in any colour. And we can add little tiny stars. And then we have foam, glitter in any colour, stars and foam beads. Also, instead of foam beads, you can have regular beads. And with the foam beads, you can have normal, which is white like this one, tiny one. Or you could have rainbow, but we haven't got those yet. So we have any of those, and you can have a small amount or a big amount. And then we have the poop slime. We have unicorn poop slime, which is as you can see this, but in pink or purple, and you add glitter, beads and stars for the slime. And then we have normal poop slime, brown with yellow beads or plain. And then we have Halloween slime, which is 30% off by now, and which comes in yellow, orange, green, purple and black. And then we add black glitter and we add a charm. Here are some of the many charms. We have this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, I'm showing you all of them, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, this one, this one, and this one. Oh, God, they're all under it. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And we have two very rare charms that you can get. We have this one with the dot, this one, and this one, which is the ultra rare one. So those are all the charms which come with the poop. No, not poop. So what it will do is it will come like, let me show you. So with the Halloween slime, it will come. I'm just using this slime because I don't have Halloween slime on me, but it will come in a container like this. Not in this container, I'm just using it. And then it will come with a charm stuck on top. And you can push it down, and then you can take it out, and you can go, and then so you can do that, and then nearer Christmas, we will make a new video with Christmas slime. So I will now show you all of the prices, and then after that I will do a demonstration on what most of the slimes look like. We haven't got the glitter slimes or the unicorn slimes yet, and we haven't got the rainbow beads, but we have everything else. because we're getting those later on. you can order down in the comments, and if you use a special code which will be in the description, you get another 30% off if you're the first person to buy one. Okay, so don't mind how they're sticky, that's because I dropped my slime on them. Okay, so here we have all of this poop slime, unicorn and all that. And then down here we have the prices. The prices are a regular is 75p, a small regular is 50p, a large regular is £1, and a medium regular is 75p. A Halloween one is 50p, a cloud foam is £1. And then the poop slimes are £1 as well. And if you want glitter and beads added to any of those slimes, that's an extra 5p or 10p. Okay, now I will be showing you the different slimes. So, and how messy the table is. I don't like this. How do people... That's my homework. And this is Amber. Say hi, Amber. Amber, say hi.
Hi.
That's Amber. That's it. So this is the cloud foam. So if the beads keep falling out, that's because I haven't made it properly. Okay, so that's the cloud foam. Get charms. Okay, and then this is the regular. Don't judge me, I'm not a slime master. Don't put in the comments, oh my god, Sophie, you're doing it wrong. Don't do that. I don't know how to do it. ASMR, okay guys. Okay, so that was that slime. And now on to the poop slime. This is poop. This one's very sticky. Very sticky. And then let me do a demonstration on what the Halloween will look like. So, this isn't the colour of it though. So it'll just be like a normal slime with black glitter, any colour you want, in the Halloween section. And it will have a charm. You don't have to have glitter, you can have silver or gold glitter if you want. Oh god, I've lost the charm now. Oh no, oh no. Oh, let me just take that out. Ah! Okay, so that was that slime. Elsie, before this, don't worry, this is not your slime, this is my slime. This is not what you'll be getting. That's not what you will be getting. Elsie, it's not yours. Okay. It's not yours. No. No. Okay. So if you order the slime first, you will get 30% off, whether it's poop slime, a Halloween, any of those. Okay. So that was today's video. I will put everything that I explained in the description, so you don't need to worry about getting it. Yeah. So, and it's completely kid friendly. It's solution, not borax. We're not allowed that. But yeah. Okay, so that's the video. Say bye, Amber. Amber!
Bye, and thank you, Sophie, for explaining everything. And if you do want to buy, just comment down below, or just contact us. Do whatever you want, basically. But make sure you don't miss out, because our
Deal,
products
no
are the
deal.
best. And there will be lots of specials, and after Halloween there'll be a
Christmas special.
a massive section of
Clearance.
candy or sweets
And clearance
going,
stuff.
like, not for free, but there'll be like huge
Clearance.
amount of sweets, and you'll have like loads of fun things. I'll make sure to post videos then.
Yeah.
But yeah.
So thank you for watching and bye.